Welcome, everyone, to the August edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. So, a lot going on. This war continues to go on. If we notice, interest rates have been going up very rapidly. Oil has moved back up close to $100. But you know what's been going on this year is the railroad stocks have just been going through the roof here. CSX up 46% this year, NS up 22%, UP 33%, CP 26%, CN 34%, and then BNSF, which is part of Berkshire, they're actually down 2%, but that's not really on the railroad. That's on the other businesses inside there. So we'll keep an eye on that. Very exciting times. Whiteboard this month's very interesting. How will potential Norfolk Southern buyout impact your railroad retirement? Right. So we expect certain job reductions when UP and NS when that buyout is completed. So see what your options are in that video, especially you NS employees. Have a good mailbag. How early can I retire and collect railroad retirement? So those are that's building that bridge from, hey, I got my 30 years, I want to leave. When do I start the annuity? What can I do there? I have a very good economic chart. It just really compares the dot-com bubble, if we all recall, 1999, 2000, to this, quote, AI bubble. Very interesting. We're not really at that dot-com level, but take a look at that chart. And then a checklist, right? A checklist is just on building your emergency funds. Very important to build those emergency funds, especially if you're getting if you have a possible job reduction, you want to really get that emergency fund. So check that out. Very good. So railroaders, I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to, send in your questions. I can help you out. Until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.